In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Topstep to TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is go to topstep.com on their official website, and then in here you want to click Earn Funding from here, top right. And from this website, you then want to basically select which buying power you would like to select. So, of course, you have different profit targets and max positions and then maximum loss limits. Over here, just select one that suits you best. So, I'll just go with this one for this tutorial. And then from here, you'll have to create an account by your legal first name, last name, your email address, username, and password, and you have to read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, agree you're not a robot, and then click Start Trading. Now, after you've done all this over here, you'll be able to create yourself a Topstep account. And after you've created yourself a Topstep account, you want to head over to TradeOvate, so it's tradeovate.com, and on here you want to open an account with TradeOvate as well, because Topstep and TradeOvate integrate with each other and can be integrated, and then you can integrate TradeOvate to TradingView. And I'll show you how to do this right now. So after you created your Topstep account, again, you want to go to tradeovate.com, open an account, and connect it with Topstep. Now, once you've done this, you want to go to TradingView, and then on TradingView, you want to log in with your account, of course. It's very easy, just create one if you don't have one yet. And then you want to hover over brokers up here, and where it says featured brokers, you can just click any of these. So click on any, it doesn't matter which one you click on. After you're in here, you want to click on trade, and then from here, just close down the pop-up window like this. And as you can see, it says connect through our trusted brokers. Just scroll down, and what you're going to be looking for is TradeOvate. If you don't see it over here at the top, at the first 2-3 lines, you want to click all brokers and then look for it down here. So just scroll down, there we go, there it is. You want to click on it, and from here, you want to input your TradeOvate username and password, and then simply press connect. And just like this, you've successfully connected TradeOvate to your TradingView account, and thus you can start using Topstep on TradingView because those are interconnected. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.